show you guys my bag. Good morning. How was your night? Yes, so.
Talk like me.
Yes, we are going to the party today, babes. So you just woke up from sleep. We'll join the church online and then we'll get ready for the party, okay?
And then we're back.
No. We use the train.
Only you.
You, everybody. You, me.
And Daddy.
No, Daddy is not coming.
Oh.
Alright, I'm currently uploading a vlog that will go up today. It's my friend's daughter's birthday. Well, she's someone I know. Her daughters, her twin girls, are having their birthday party today in Cardiff, where they live. Yeah, so I got them some stuffs and. I bought you this.
Oh, so cute! And look at this strawberry.
And this one.
How much I love strawberry.
I know, right?
Yeah, so it's in my leg.
Yeah, it's for you, me. That's for you. You're not going to show guys. So I got this for Daisy, this, and this. So for the birthday, I popped into a shop and I got this. Me sit down. This for the girls because I think her kids are twins. Yeah, so I got this for them. A birthday card as well for them. So let me get these things ready. And then I'll pop them into this bag and then we'll start getting ready because this is Sunday morning and it's still early in the morning. We are not going to church, so we'll do the church at home online, then we'll start getting ready for the birthday. Yeah. So that's what I wrote. Happy birthday, darling, Auntie Cindy. So I don't even know their names. Hey guys, so we are all set now. I talked to you guys in the morning that I have a birthday party that I'll be attending much later today. So this is, what's the time? To one? Oh no, time went back on Sunday. Time went forward on Sunday. I've not reset my wristwatch. I'll do that now. So this should be to 2. Yeah, to 2. So we are all dressed up. My mom is downstairs. The kids are downstairs. We are all dressed up and set to leave. Yeah. So it's in Cardiff. We live in Newport. So we'll be doing Uber to the train station. Then we're gonna board. So we are going to board the train to Cardiff because I want my mom to experience train since she came, even to enter bus herself. She has not had time to enter bus. It's either I'm driving her around or my dad or my husband is driving her around here. So today that we have the opportunity to enter train and bus. No, I don't think we are doing bus. We'll do Uber and train. And so she's my friend, but I've not met her before. I'll be meeting her today for the first time. Yeah, we chat well, we gist well online. Yeah, so her kids, her twin girls are doing their birthday today, and we are all set. So let me show you guys the outfit for the party. Who like keep this camera now? So this is our party. I'm going to show you guys my bag. So this is our party gift that we'll be gifting them. All set. Contestant, spin, smile, move back, go back again. I'm becoming slowly like a princess. Put your hand on your waist. So dance for that. Hey. Let's spin around. So go closer to your sister. Smile. Yeah. Say hi. From two. I'll go down slowly. Slowly. Also go by the side. Yeah. That is train. So our train is here. Go and sit there.
Excuse me, we'll be off in 10 minutes.
Oh,
You know, there's 10 minutes, okay?
Yeah, we are stopping in Cardiff.
Yeah. For you too.
Yeah.
We do not allow aeroplane.
A very big one. It goes to so many major cities. London, Frankfurt.
Train, I saw them.
Yeah, I think I had about came around like one time.
I saw them. Well, our new one. I'm going to look at the 1980.
We are now approaching Cardiff Central.
We are now approaching Cardiff Central. Huh? And what did you say?
Please take all your belongings with you.
I forgot it because he was talking to Ceci.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform, and take care when stepping down from the train.
I think I remember. That's car we just got. Are they for taking us to Disneyland? The car we just got.
Oh no, it's for the train.
Are they for Disneyland too?
No, we'll use it and come back.
Emotion in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know
The show now if I do. Right. Why you being annoying? I bad the wrong three. So guys, we just got back from the birthday party now, and we got some party packs. We are about to open them up now to see what we've got. Alright, you guys ready? Come on. So whose box is this? So come on, unbox.
Okay, where's my boxes?
Keep your jackets now. Okay, come on, show us. What?
Book.
This is good. I take them out. So take your stuff out.
Okay. Nice. Wow.
Okay.
Fresh and rubber band. Ooh, it's a spinner.
Okay.
Cheap.
Is that all? Oh.
Wow.
Okay, so this one is like, this one is little brush. Oh, and the hair
Can I
scrunchies.
open it?
What do you want to do with the brush?
My brush.
Ooh, let's see what you got. Let's see.
I got a little notebook.
Oh, you see? Are you sure you don't give Soso the other book? Oh, yeah. Soso. Happy New Year. This one says Happy New Year. Go on.
Ooh, juice. How did that juice? What's out? Ooh, it's candy. I have it.
These are all the stuffs we got from the party, and we just got home now. So we are going to undress now, shower, and then rest. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Once again, we need to rest. So fish fingers should be sweet. You want this one? Don't worry, no, you grab it for me.
Which of them?
Yeah, that one. Let's go. This guy can push it. Alright. Hey guys, so Adisa just got back from school now, and I'm so proud of my girl. She got a badge. I'll be a sticker superstar. So, why did you get the superstar sticker? Tell us.
Because I was tidying up.
Tell guys.
Guys, I was tidying up in my classroom. Then I was picking up the paper, the scissors, the glue stick, the pencils, the pencil lids, the pens and markers, and even the crayons.
Did you?
And I even put the papers back.
Did you? So they did
That's
some.
why I got this sticker.
That's why you got the sticker, yeah? So they did some stuffs in their class. Like, was it like a creative thingy? Yeah, so they did something in their class. So after they were done, she said she was among the people that tidied up, right? And then she got this superstar sticker, yeah? So I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. That means I always tell you to tidy up after yourself, and that's what you've been doing at home. And you also do it in school. I'm happy about that, okay? Keep it on, baby. High five. Welcome, babes. How was school?
School is good. Can I have a short play outside?
Can you have what?
Can I have a short play outside?
You want to have a play outside? But you have your school uniform on. You need to go and undress before you play. Okay?
Okay.
Go on. Let me warm up your food, okay? Yeah, I'm warming up their food. If you guys are hearing the noise, and I'll be going to work in a bit. So I'm so happy about what she just said. She tidied up, she cleaned up after she helped her class teacher. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to put for you. I'll just take one and go and undress. This girl is distracting me. Yeah, talk to you guys later. Let me just get their food ready and start going to work. So is outside playing. My mom is outside chilling in the sun. It's not even like the sun is hot. It's just sunny, but it's very windy as well. So yeah, but she's chilling outside. 137.
Yeah, oh, so you have grown a little bit since we last saw you.
Oh.
Just keep growing. And then if you...
Me go on.
Oh, well done. Eyesight is very good. Pop up on here for me. Alright. Dinosaurs. There you go. That's okay.
Let me see what they said. I was brave today.
You were.
Alright, pop your shoes. Oh, love.
I wanted to then.
So watch your back, moves.
Boom.
Stop, mama, stop. Good Soto. Soto, why did you go to Tennessee? So you are sending the net to go and keep it upstairs for you. I'll keep it after that. We'll go and keep it.
No, to keep it.
What are you scared of? Careful.
Watch out. Oh man, I cannot do this. It's too hard.
It's hard, yeah? It's hard to align it. Me too, I cannot do it. It's hard.
I'm happy, Mommy, that you do some lots of running steps.
You wish you?
Mom, I wish you were so happy that you did lots of running stuff. Today's and that, today's daddy, we're so happy. I wish you love this now. Yes, that's all. Yay.
Is it ready? Stir the tea, stir it. It's also will carry your own. You carry your own. I want to go upstairs now. Feeling tired. Oh, what did you make?
These.
Me first. Now your toast is getting cold, and when it gets cold, it's not nice again.
Okay, Sister, take your food. Your stuff. Sister, take your stuff. Now, tea.
Just so careful.